What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back for another video on this cloudy, beautiful day, y'all. And it's the garden tour. Spring, summer is over. It's just fall and winter now. All right, check the overview of the food forest, y'all. That's what she looking like now. She ain't much right now, I ain't gonna lie. All right, let's start over here. These are cabbage starts. They seem to be doing well. Let me get that out of here. Uh-oh, it's okay, But these my cabbage starts. Couple plants still holding on. And if y'all saw, I put bush beans in here for nitrogen. They all starting to pop. I don't know what that is. Maybe that's some of my plant. I don't know. But thing looking good. I got some kohlrabi in here. Kohlrabi. It ain't looking good. But oh, she pretty though. All right. Next bed. These are Georgia Southern collard greens, y'all. All stars. Your boy Brokefarmer with laser this year. But I caught a deal. If you go back and look at the old video, it was a Godfather deal. And what them is good Georgia collards, baby. Ooh. Oh! Could be a good Thanksgiving. And this is my Moringa. And I'm about to pull out these leaves and dehydrate them. Yeah, let me eat a couple of them while I'm out here. Get my body together. You know what I mean? Stems and all, baby. Stems and all. Got a nutty, leafy flavor to it. I don't know what it is. But I'm about to pull all these before our first frost in November. And hopefully they'll grow back and give me some more. But it's taller than I am. It's probably, I don't know, 7 foot now. More Georgia collard. Plant start. And one tomato, I chopped it. But it's still holding on. More collards, you know. Fall garden. Kohlrabi. And you know what this is. Kohlrabi. Yep. The big bed going to the upper room, y'all. But I got sweet potatoes and this small, I think it's a 20-gallon grow bag. The leaves ain't died back. That's crazy. Usually I would have picked them by now, but these leaves still coming on pretty, y'all. I'll show you the other one. All right, these in the 50-gallon grow bag. It's about time to get these. I gotta put some more soil on the top. They coming out the top of this joke. But the leaves still pretty, y'all. I just don't understand. I usually wait till the leaves die back. I forgot when I planted them in. So I'm just gonna have to harvest them with some pretty leaves coming up. Video coming soon. All right. Things that won't make it through the winter time. Pineapple in the ground. Out of here. All right, and this Violet de Bordeaux fig I got from Odom Homestead. Put it in the ground. Excuse me, I got the hiccups from that Moringa. Another one. That pineapple top ain't gonna make it either. But I got more Georgia collard. I got more Georgia collard than just about everybody in Georgia combined, y'all. Got a couple melons left. I don't remember the variety of these because I thought this was dead. But that's another variety. Smoked melon. I don't know if they're gonna make it to maturity. Then right here I got some more kohlrabi. And right here, I think that's kohlrabi. And I got some cabbage out here. Living their best life. Living their cabbage life. Got my peppers, as always. Soon as fall get here, They reach for the sky, y'all. I don't know what it is about my yard, or I'm just planting fall pepper. I don't know, y'all. All right, couple tomatoes I'm finna send to the upper room soon as I get off this video. They keep getting a little small tomato, but that's big as they getting right now. So I ain't got time to play with them. Got another tomato plant. It's tomatoing a little bit. It's kind of doing its thing. It's kind of. But the bugs won't leave it alone, y'all. The bugs won't leave her alone. So, I'm about to take her out and put her out of misery. But guess what I still got? I got watermelon. They about rotten. But I still got watermelons, y'all. Still got watermelon. That's crazy. That's crazy to me. What is this? Uh-oh. Watermelon war might not be over, y'all. Just saying. Just saying. Might be having another weigh-in coming soon, y'all. Who knows? Oh, and this all year ginger or turmeric. Let me smell it. I think that's turmeric. It smells like turmeric. Maybe it's ginger. Who knows? Either way, it ain't been growing that long. All right, I got the eggplant tree still in the ground, and she eggplant. She eggplant. She eggplant. What's she doing on this side? Eggplant. 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 And on the back side of the plant is rotten from these bugs. Rotten. We're gonna take that out. We got another rotten one over here. She about ready to go to glory anyway. Over here we got Jamaican sorrel. Jamaican sorrel, baby. I'm still figuring out what exactly to do with it. I got some ideas. People been letting me know. Shouts out to Gina versus Gina. But they everywhere. I'm gonna have 1,000,000 of these. And they probably some of them gonna fall to the ground, and I have them next year. But I mean, it's going crazy. So yeah, Jamaican sorrel me. Huh. Look here, man. When y'all grow fall crops in the summer, the bugs like that. Bugs like when we do that. But guess what happened? Start getting cool, and they coming back. This Premier Kale. I got it all up under there. As soon as I get the sorrel out the way, they're gonna be okay. Then I got some of this asparagus ferns. I cut them back one time, gave me asparagus, and it fern right back out. It seemed like the next day, but it's still holding on. Sweet mint, sweet mint. Sweet mint, sweet mint. Bro, somebody come get this mint. It smell good though, I ain't gonna lie. It do smell good. But somebody come get this mint, real talk. All right, this mint, I should have did something with it by now. I about don't want to touch it now. It looks weird. I really waited too long with this mint, y'all. Really. I mean, it's mullen. I don't know. These leaves still look good. But y'all let me know what y'all think. And this cat mint, the best thing for bees. Once this thing flowered, these bees went crazy. Did I make tea out of it? Nope. Did I do anything with it? Nope. But the bees liked it. So I'm gonna leave it there. Maybe gonna come back. Not even gonna do research. It is what it is. Then I got this oregano. I gotta pull a bunch of this and dehydrate that. See what she do. I got my thyme. This thyme ain't going nowhere, y'all. This bag, I gotta do something with this bag. Okay. I'm gonna plant it in the ground in the spring, but this time is Old Faithful, y'all. 2 years going. One of the best tasting things you can get fresh, y'all. Can't make that up. Cabbage I got planted out here in the old food forest. All stars, no whammies. All stars, no whammies. They still alive. They still alive. All right, and the outermost part, comfrey. And I just dug up all the comfrey around the yard and I put it right there. It's a lot of comfrey. More Jamaican sorrel, I put it in the ground. I wasn't sure I could grow it. So I put it in a couple different places, tried to grow it a couple different ways. It grew in every place, in every way. Yeah, that sorrel here to stay, I guess, y'all. Sneak peek. Fig in the ground, figs on the limb. Figs on the ground, in the ground, figs on the limb. My little sweet potato is spreading. Ain't that pretty? It's just spreading. Yes, she is. Bless your heart. And then I got my pineapple sage in the ground. Babe, I need you to just make it over to one time, okay? Just make it over to one. That's all I ate. Y'all want to smell it? Put your nose to the camera then. Smell it. Smell like pineapple sage, y'all. Really. Rosemary in the ground. Rosemary in the ground. I don't think that one gonna make it. But she rosemarying. Believe me, this passion fruit, y'all. I just don't know what to say. She grew out beautifully. She is beautiful. I ain't seen a goddamn flower yet. I think she might make it through in my zone. I think this is the heart of maypop or something like that. But it's all in my trees. It's all over there with no flowers on. Am I lying on you? You got some flowers somewhere? Got no flowers nowhere. But she pretty. She really pretty. And this the other I can't remember the variety of this passion fruit, but I think that's gonna be a flower. I think. Fingers crossed, that's a flower. I hope that's a flower, y'all. This is another one. I ain't got a tag on, but she thick. I think this some kind of other passion fruit. But I got it all in my peach tree climbing up. I know a lot of people say, well, it's gonna kill the tree. Bro, you gonna kill the tree, bro. Hopefully it don't kill the tree. I don't know if you're being dramatic or telling the truth. We'll see in a minute. But still no flowers, y'all. No flowers. See all up in this tree. All right. So if I showed you all those passion fruit, I got to show you this one. Do I got this one tagged? All right, this is a purple possum passion fruit. And it's purple possum possibly gonna do nothing. It's just growing through the, it's growing through, living the best life. I ain't put on one goddamn flower. Bro, it's almost winter time. You gotta do something. Now I'm gonna chop you right there and I'm gonna put you in the greenhouse over the winter. But you gotta show me something, bro. You just gonna be out here. All right, and this was a pepper plant at the bottom. But this is my purple butterfly pea flower or something. I didn't know it really got peas on it. Can you eat these peas? I don't know. But the flowers ain't did much of nothing. So do the flowers come before? Oh, the flowers in the peas. Duh. But yeah, they ain't did much of nothing. They just out here living their best life. I don't know. And the last of my wildflower before the winter come and take them. I think these are Mexican sunflowers. And if so, I'm gonna chop and drop them because they're supposed to be really good fertilizer. All right, these my mints. Yeah, that chocolate mint the only one that's doing her thing, baby. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Not so much. Not so much. I'm really not proud. All right, y'all, that's the garden tour. The garden is transitioning right now, so it don't look that spectacular. It's not that much going on. I got a little bit here and there going on, but for the most part, I'm getting ready for fall to do fall things. And if you ain't doing fall things, you what? Not doing your goddamn job.